Hi, welcome and thanks for watching. My name's Ian. This is JH Backcountry Health, and I'll be your certified personal trainer today. In this video, we're going to go over the 4-point stance for thoracic rotation. This is going to target, as I said, your thoracic rotation in your mid to upper back, as well as your cervical mobility in your neck. And it's also going to stretch out your lats and your rhomboids in your back, the pectoral muscles in your chest, and the shoulder capsule.
Okay, so for the 4-point stance with thoracic rotation, you're going to start in the classic 4-point stance, knees directly below your hips, hands and elbows directly below your shoulders, and you're going to make sure to keep that back flat in order to keep the spine neutral. Avoid excessive arching or excessive rounding of the back. Once you're in this stance, you're going to choose one arm and you're going to go ahead and rotate that arm underneath the opposite side of your body, and you're going to come all the way down to the floor. You can go ahead and extend the opposite hand out. Once you're in this position, you're going to want to feel like you're dragging this arm across the floor, but don't actually allow it to move. And you should feel that stretch in your shoulder. Hold this for a few seconds, and then from here, go ahead and come up and rotate the opposite direction with your hand up toward the ceiling and your eyes looking up toward the ceiling as well. From there, you're going to go back and forth, repeating those two motions that I just demonstrated. So down, and then rotate up. And again, this is going to be that thoracic, mid and upper back, and cervical neck mobility that we're looking for. So down, pull on that arm across the ground, and then rotate and open up to the other side. Do this for 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. You can do 1 to 3 sets. And then at the end, once you're done doing both sides, go ahead and sit back into a child's pose to stretch those arms, shoulders, and back a little bit before you finish. So to do that, extend your hands out straight in front of you. Sit your hips back onto your heels with your knees approximately hip to shoulder width apart. And then move your forehead down to the floor and engage fully in that stretch. You want to feel like you're dragging your hands back across the floor towards you. Sit your hips as close as you can to your heels in that pose. Hold child's pose for 5 to 10 seconds just to round things out at the end.